a log jump on Clear Creek. We got a couple of triad clients here ready to jump. We got Jeff, Angie, Mike. Here we go. Nice job, guys! Woo! Swim to me! Did you guys have fun rafting today? Yeah! What are you about to do? Woo! Yeah! Ow! Woo! Nice! Woo! Alright, guys, swim left over here. We got Cindy here. She was rafting with us today. We're going to do a little log jump. Alright, we're going to jump sideways. You're going to look at the camera the whole way down. Ready? You know, hold my hand?
No, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to jump sideways.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
ready?
no, I'm scared.
We can do it. You'll be safe. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job! Are you okay? Was it as bad as you thought?
No.
It's a long way down when you're not looking though, huh?
Yeah, I'm not able to look down because
Oh yeah. All right. Your hand. What'd you think? Woo! Jump! Go for it. Nice! Woo! Good job!
Huh? Really? Be careful walking.
You ready? Alright, let her rip, buddy! You got this! You already did it once, man! You got it! You got it, buddy! You want me to count you down? Just close your eyes and leap for it! You got it! Woo! Yeah! Alright, swim! Kick your legs! You gotta swim, buddy! One more for the road. Huh? I Lincoln looped and landed on my side.